Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a water pump on a Toyota Sequoia. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and a large drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any scalding from hot coolant. You will need a new water pump, its accompanying gasket, and O-rings. Also, have at least 3.5 gallons of the correct coolant ready for refilling the system later. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, we will drain the cooling system and begin disassembling components. Position your drain pan beneath the radiator and open the petcock valve to allow the coolant to flow out. Once drained, remove the serpentine belt by rotating the tensioner pulley counterclockwise. Proceed to disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses from their connections. Finally, carefully unbolt and remove the fan shroud and the fan assembly, which will provide much-needed space to access the water pump. Now, let's tackle the heart of the job, removing and installing the water pump. Begin by unbolting the old water pump and gently prying it free from the engine block. Take your time to thoroughly clean the mating surface on the engine, removing any old gasket material or corrosion. Install the new water pump, ensuring the new gasket and O-rings are perfectly seated. Torque the 5 water pump bolts to 15 foot-pounds and the 2 stud nuts to 13 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern for even pressure. For our final steps, we will reassemble the components and prepare the cooling system. Reinstall the fan assembly, fan shroud, and all radiator hoses, securing them tightly. Carefully route and reattach the serpentine belt, double-checking its placement on every pulley. Now, refill the cooling system with about 3.5 gallons of the appropriate coolant. Start the engine with the radiator cap off, allowing it to warm up and circulate the coolant, which helps to bleed any trapped air from the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.